Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your signature on the Outlook mail. First of all, you want to go to the Outlook app, open it, then we want to go to the profile, press on it, then we go to the settings tab, and here you can see the option at the quick settings signature, and we press on that. Let me go back, signature, and you can even turn it on and off per account. So per email account I have, you can see the signature I have, and here you can edit it. So example signature, save it, and here you go. If you have any further questions about the Outlook app, please let me know down below in the comments. See you in the next one.